How to color correct video with color wheels and parade in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline that I want to color correct using color wheels. Move the playhead above your video, select your video, and open up the color page. Make sure the primary's color wheel tab is open. Also, on the right side, click on the Scopes tab and set the drop-down to Parade. At the first look at the clip, you can see that the blacks in this clip are not real black. Also, in the Parade, you can see that the waves are not touching 0 and they are around 100. So, drag the slider below the lift to darken the dark parts of the video a little bit without changing the highlights too much. Increase the darkness until the waves come near 0. Now look at the clip, and you can see that the white parts like the wall are really not white. Also, look in the Parade and you can see that the waves are around 500, which we can increase that to around 1000 without damaging the clip. To do this, drag the slider below the gain wheel to whiten the highlight parts. For a last touch, boost the colors in this clip so these colors pop more. To do this, increase saturation just a little bit. And now we can go back to the edit page. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.